Open the glove box. Remove the rubber tray. Remove the bolts using a 7mm socket. Multiple clips secure the tray. Pull outwards to detach them from the glove box. Disconnect the light by pinching its rear tab. Remove the plastic tray. Unclip the tabs on the side of the housing, then lift upwards to remove the cover. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Align the bottom tabs of the housing cover, then press the top to lock it into place. Reinstall the light. Reinstall the plastic tray. Make sure all tabs are secure in their catch. Reinstall the bolts using a 7mm socket. Reinstall the rubber tray. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.